So yeah guys, good evening. So today I'm going to teach how we can add image in text with the help of HTML and CSS. So first what you need to do, you need to create here one HTML first. Now next I should attach my CSS. So now we have our CSS file, and here I'm going to use something called as paragraph tag, and I'm going to write it suppose. Okay. So next I should go here, and now I should call here my box sizing, border box, then margin 0 pixel, padding 0 pixel, and then I should call my paragraph tag, and first I should call here my font size 300 pixel, background I should pass it background image URL, and now we need to pass here URL. So for that we should go here, and I will search here pixel b. Now we should go here, I just search here what India gate. Okay, so I search here what India gate. Now we should see that we will get one image guys. So we take this image only, no problem. So what I'm going to do, I'll just remove this one. Now right click, copy image address, and now we have to paste it here. That's it, done. So now next what you need to do, you need to pass here something called as background repeat. I want it should be repeat. Okay, next I'm going to pass here something called as webkit, and to pass here webkit background clip. Yes, and it should be text mode. And now next I need to pass here webkit text fill color. I need to pass here transparent. Yes, so now I have it is done. Now we have to run this guys, and we need to check that it's working or not. So first open with live server and check now it's working or not. So can you see now it's working fine? So now what we have to do next, I should go here, I should call my body, and I should pass here display flex 65 content center and item center, and here I should pass height 100 ph. It's fine, can you see now? And here I can pass background position center. Can you see now? So if you work like this, if you want that any image should come like this, or an image should add inside any text, you can use guys these properties. Okay, so thank you so much for this class guys. Have a nice day.